So I'm still working on this Pegasus program and put some changes into it. So now when I restart the program here, I try and get the radio to come up in a sensible way. And I also added all these indicators on the bottom, these paragraphs that will say what the button or drop down is set to. So that is a little more useful. Before I couldn't really tell what these things were set to. So, and the other irritating thing was when I first went and built this radio, I had to go through all these settings, enable this, set that, set that, set that. So now I set them to values I think are close to what I want and go that way. So that's what I've done. I still got an issue though. When this thing comes up, I still just can't pick up the mic and transmit, I don't think. Let's try that out. Testing 1, 2, 3. You'll see there's no power up here. So if I change the bandwidth now to that again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, test. Yeah, that's working. And up the power. 1, 2, 3, test. So that works. It's a lot better than it was. I'm still not sure why that I can't just transmit without resetting this when I first invoked the program, but that's fine. So everything now basically, it has a little legend below it. It says what you set it to, which makes the program easier to use, I'm thinking. And you can see what things are set to, so that's kind of fun. I think this will make it easier to use, so that's my goal. And of course I can still tune the transmitter here. There's the power coming out, lots of power, a little bit less. So that's the progress to date. I added embellishments here, and of course the squelch can be set also. Here we can set the squelch, turn the volume up. You can see an S8 here, S9. So now we can set the squelch to say a 10 or something. Squelch is now a 10. It's going to knock that guy out. Let's go back to a 9 now. You might hear that guy chime in again. Yeah, so that's pretty cool now. I can see what the squelch is set to, and
Alright, take care there, Fred. Don't work too hard, and we'll catch you later on. And Rod, you take care, sit here and plug in.
And this also works now too. The A&R works. I can go to A&R mode now. And then these can be set also, the filters. You can also set them with this new button I put in a while back.
Looking at reading about that wind. Why? So I'm not a big fan of wind. I thought that we have to. I thought
All right, so that's my update. It's working pretty good. I did want to be able to bring the radio up from dead and have all these values mostly set so I can transmit. I still got to set this bandwidth to some value here when I first bring the radio up. Not sure why, but at least everything else is now set and I can transmit if I want to. Okay, that's my update. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.